Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's been gaining traction in the world of gardening and urban design. We're talking about vertical gardens, an innovative way to utilize vertical space for growing plants. Vertical gardens, also known as living walls or green walls, are not just a trend, but a sustainable solution to urban gardening problems. They are a fantastic way to maximize the use of space, especially in urban areas where horizontal space is limited. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty of vertical gardens, let's take a moment to understand what they are. A vertical garden is a method of growing plants up a wall or out of a wall using hydroponic techniques. The plants are often housed in containers or geotextile fabric, which is attached to the wall and provides support. This method of gardening is not only visually stunning, but also offers numerous environmental benefits. Now, let's talk about the benefits of vertical gardens. First and foremost, they are a great way to maximize space. If you live in a city apartment with a small balcony, a vertical garden can allow you to grow a variety of plants without taking up too much space. They can also be used to create a green oasis in the middle of a concrete jungle, providing a much-needed breath of fresh air. Vertical gardens also have the potential to improve air quality. Plants naturally filter the air, removing harmful pollutants and releasing oxygen. By having a vertical garden in your home or office, you can help to improve the air quality in your immediate environment. Another benefit of vertical gardens is that they can help to reduce noise pollution. The plants in a vertical garden can absorb and deflect sound waves, making them a great solution for city dwellers who are bothered by the constant noise of traffic and construction. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's move on to how you can create your own vertical garden. There are several methods you can use depending on your space, budget, and the types of plants you want to grow. One of the simplest ways to create a vertical garden is by using a trellis. This is a great option for climbing plants like ivy, clematis, or climbing roses. You can attach the trellis to a wall or fence and then train the plants to grow up it. Another method is to use a pallet. This is a great option if you're on a budget, as you can often find pallets for free or very cheap. Simply attach some landscape fabric to the back of the pallet, fill it with soil, and then plant your plants in the slats. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you could try creating a hydroponic vertical garden. This involves growing plants in a nutrient-rich water solution instead of soil. It's a bit more complex to set up, but it can be a great way to grow a variety of plants in a small space. In terms of plant selection, you can grow a wide variety of plants in a vertical garden, from herbs and vegetables to flowers and ferns. The key is to choose plants that have similar light and water requirements so they can all thrive in the same environment. In conclusion, vertical gardens are a fantastic way to make the most of your space, whether you're in a small city apartment or a large suburban home. They offer numerous environmental benefits, from improving air quality to reducing noise pollution. And with a bit of creativity, you can create a stunning vertical garden that's both functional and beautiful. That's all for today's episode, folks. I hope you found this discussion on vertical gardens enlightening and inspiring. Remember, gardening is not just about the space you have, but how you use it. So why not give vertical gardening a try? You might just find it's the perfect solution for your green thumb. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy gardening.